Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Diffusion. So today we are going to installing one of the software which is related to some Azure development, and everyone have a requirement for that software who wants to become an Azure developer and DevOps related things. So we will discuss about today how to install Jenkins. Jenkins is one of the tools which is required in Azure development. So for that we will start. For that, what you need to do, first of all, you need to click Google Chrome and just click Jenkins on search. And when you click on the search Jenkins, then first website which will come jenkins.io dot download. So what you need to do, just click on download and choose your operating system. Okay, so like this is the Windows, and you have a lots of OS, like some of a person have Mac OS and some have a Ubuntu. So according to that you need to just click on Windows and start downloading. After download, what you need to see, you will see one of the files Jenkins. So you need to just double click on that file. Okay, okay, just click on next. C program Jenkins. Like this, run service as a local system or domain user account, whatever you want to give, and just test. Just like we need to put some account, right? Then I need to check my account. Okay, so I'm putting, wait, for that you have one of the option also, account privacy setting and all, which is related to your user account. Okay, so user account we can also find. See, so this is my user account. Okay, okay, we will copy that name. Okay, or either we can directly put. And test credential. As you can see, this is the way it's showing, like that, like your laptop name backslash username. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We will copy that our laptop name also. See, and okay, and okay, it it might be possible. So what you need to do next, you need to enter your account detail, means your user account detail, like my detail, password, and you need to test credential. Okay, what you need to do now, just next and check the port and click next. Okay, now you need to check your JDK installation. For that you need to install JDK version also. Okay, and just next and just install. So after completing installation, I will tell you what you need to do next. After then, just click finish. Okay. Once you finish, then what you need to do, I am telling you, go to your Chrome browser and type http colon backslash localhost as we install our Jenkins on 8080 port. Then you need to click on this. Just wait for that, it will open. As you see, please wait while Jenkins is getting ready to work. See, now he asking a one-time administrator password. So how you will get this administrator password? You need to go this path where we install just your user account Jenkins and secret, and where you will see initial admin password. So I am going on that. See user app data local, where you will see one of the folder related to Jenkins dot Jenkins folder. Go to secret and now initial admin password. Okay, what we will do, just right click and edit with notepad plus plus. Copy this initial admin password. Okay, and go to your browser, paste this password and continue. As you can see, offline Jenkins is installed. Now what you need to do, if you facing any issue or whatever you want to do, like install some suggested plugins or select plugins, then you can set these things. So I am just escaping. Okay, and if you want to your create first admin page, then you can go and do these things and some setups. Okay, so I'm not doing skip and continue as admin. Okay, instance URL, save and finish. Now start using Jenkins. As you can see, we have a lots of thing inside that, and a user want to do anything from this can do. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and if you think my video is good and helpful for you, and if you facing any issue, then comment on my page, on my YouTube video page, and I will comment back on your help for that. Before I'm going to thank you for my watching my video, and please subscribe my channel.